Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris Jackson, your internet motorcycle sales guy here at Bumpus Harley-Davidson of Jackson, Tennessee. Today I have a 2016 Ultra Limited to show you. It is in Mysterious Red and Velocity Red two-tone paint. It has an Arlen Ness Big Sucker air intake on it. Got the Vance&Hines X-pipe headers, some SVT Boneshakers slip-ons, so the exhaust on this thing sounds killer. Bike has been ridden a pretty good bit. It's got 42,000 miles on it, but it's in very good shape. And as with all of our used bikes, it's been fully inspected and serviced and checked out and made sure everything's good on it. You see, you got some taller bars there and some, I think, Avon grips. Paint is in really good shape. You know, bike has been ridden. Like I said, it's got a few little rock chips in a couple of places, but you're gonna have that on a bike with 40-something thousand miles. It's been on the highway. Got LED turn signals in the front, factory LED daymaker headlights, highway pegs. Switched out the shift lever and shift peg there. Got a little nick on top of the saddlebag and a little scuff here. The bike's not perfect, but you'll have that on one that gets used. Nobody can keep one immaculate when they use it. Yeah, bike is in really good shape. Like I said, it runs good, sounds really good. Yeah, 42,000 miles, almost 42,000 even. This could be your next bike. Inquire about it here on the website or give me a call at 731-422-5508. Better yet, come see this beauty in person, take it for a test ride, and check out the rest of our great inventory while you're here. Y'all come see us.